Students, today I will let you know how to find dielectric constant of dielectric material. So what are dielectric materials? They are basically insulators. Dielectric constant will be found with the help of this experimental setup. So main parts of this experimental setup are, this is the main kit. From this meter we will measure capacitance, values of capacitance, and from this meter values of temperature. Again, this part is oven, just to heat up our dielectric material. Ceramic material is barium titanate. Again, here are probe arrangement. So this time this arrangement is having only two probes. Our experimental material barium titanate is held below one probe, very small material. Now how to find dielectric constant? So first of all, just switch it on. So don't give supply of current to the oven. So the material is to be kept at room temperature. Just put this material in this oven like this. So at room temperature, when no current is going to the oven, so value of capacitance is 74 picofarad. So this value of capacitance is picofarad at room temperature. Room temperature is 36.9 degrees centigrade. So you may note this temperature and capacitance in this table like this. So as I have written here, room temperature is 31.5 and value of capacitance is this much. So I am going to switch on the oven just from this switch, and here is the temperature controller knob. So as the temperature of this material rises, so this value of capacitance will be changed. So after every 5 degrees centigrade, at the interval of 5 degrees centigrade, you have to note the value of temperature. So now the temperature is going to increase. Let it stabilize. So just note the value of temperature and accordingly the value of capacitance from this capacitance meter. So this way you have to note the value of temperature up to 175 or 180 degrees centigrade just by setting temperature from this thermostat. So this switch is also called thermostat or temperature changing knob. Now as the temperature rises, this value of capacitance will be changed. So go up to maximum value 175 degrees centigrade. Note all the temperatures at the interval of 5 degrees centigrade. Now how to tabulate the readings of temperature, capacitance and dielectric constant. So make this table like this. Serial number, temperature in degree centigrade, capacitance in picofarad and dielectric constant epsilon. So here is the formula. how to tabulate all the readings and how to put readings in formula just to get the result. After doing this, you have to plot a graph between temperature and dielectric constant just to get the Curie temperature. So what is Curie temperature? Curie temperature is the temperature at which spontaneous polarization disappears. It is called Curie temperature. So Curie temperature of barium titanate is 120 degrees centigrade. So plot this graph between temperature and dielectric constant. Now how to find dielectric constant? Here is the formula. Some fixed parameters of this experimental setup. As we are using barium titanate, diameter of the sample, it is 4 mm, not 9.9 mm. So we are using sample of 4 mm in diameter and thickness is 1.84 mm, like this. So area of the sample we are using, it is only 20 mm square. And the formula is epsilon over capacitance naught. Now the capacitance naught is epsilon naught into A, means area, divided by thickness. Now you would have to find area, value of A is equal to pi r square, and put all the values of temperature, capacitance and dielectric constant in this table like this. Again, finally you would have to plot a graph just to find Curie temperature. So this peak value is showing the Curie temperature. So Curie temperature of this barium titanate is around 130 degrees centigrade. It may be at 120 to 130 degrees centigrade. So this peak is the Curie temperature. So this is all about this experiment. Hope it is clear to all of you. So once again, I would like to repeat some experimental setup, parts of this experimental setup. So this is the main unit from which we can measure the value of capacitance, value of temperature. This part is oven and this part is two probe arrangement. Just to held up the material. Which material is barium titanate. Hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.